Fit check, fit check.
You'll be able to see my fit.
What we got?
I have, from Cars, I have Sally with, I can't remember, what are these called?
Cloud somethings.
Clouds. Amazon shorts.
You know, Nike. Yes, sir. We're ready to go. Where we going?
We're going to Disney World.
Get that $100,000 do the charge shit. Down the job, but they rush it, cut to my money. They say we getting money, now these niggas acting funny. And they all fake, like some bitch titties. Some they bitch.
Pay for these shits, cuz. Is this shit open?
No, because it's not green, is it?
Yeah.
No, it is, yeah.
It is green. Let's take it. We're parked at Peter Pan. Take a picture of that. Shit, you want to walk and get screwed?
No, because it's hot.
I have your entrance over here, folks. We're going to be using this path to the right of the purple.
Where are we going?
We are going on the ferry boat to get to Magic Kingdom. Better than the Manor Inn.
Let's do it! Here you leave today and enter the world of yesterday, tomorrow, and fantasy.
Tell me about it.
Ooh.
We're ready to go. Hi. We are getting ready to go on Seven Dwarfs train.
Whoa! Here we go.
How's it looking?
Looks good.
You can see without that blackboard.
Oh, this thing moves.
Ah, you can see that.
Ah, here we go, hands up. Woo! Oh yeah, this is nice and smooth. It's dopey. I killed it. 200 to 860,000. 200,000, 860,000. Where we going on, baby?
We are going on Tiana's Bayou. We watched the movie 2 days before we came.
Aye.
Look at the pictures.
All right, baby, let's go. Oh, put my phone in there. I'm ready. You ready? Oh, pull down on this. Oh! Do-ba-do-do-do-do-do. My legs too big?
Yeah. Check your feet out.
It's worse. Alright. And we're off into the bayou. Alright, can't go back anymore. Here we go. Oh, Jesus. Oh, yes. Oh, it soaked me. Oh.
Tiana wasn't kidding, y'all. This Zydeco man she found can play. Hallelujah.
I would love for y'all to play at my party tonight. Play at the party, but we've got to keep searching high and low.
What's her name?
Oh. I didn't even see her. That's a nice little scoopy room.
We have to find her. These tiny musicians you found really bring the heat.
Let's get you in again, cause the bigger you are, the bigger the splash you'll make at the party. Now let's get you to the party.
Here we go, mama. Oh, the castle looks amazing from here. Oh, yeah! Oh, I'm soaked. I am soaked. Look pretty good. It's a long ride, 9 minutes.
That was 9 minutes.
Oh, here's a 60-foot drop. So you have to be able to go through the bayou to eat the baguettes. Oh, that's on live. Why did she make that face?
Straight fear.
For a 3-foot drop.
I've been so lonely and blue.
Baby, where are we heading to now?
We are heading to.
How was our Magic Kingdom trip?
Our Magic Kingdom trip went fast. It was convenient. I think I did a good job booking.
Yeah.
And we are headed out. We had a great time. How do you
Headed
feel,
out
babe?
early, going to, where are we going?
We're going to Epcot to go drink around the city. But you know, shh, Daddy doesn't drink.
Yeah, I will be sober around the world.
But
You
Daddy,
know?
he will get some different little lemonades.
Yes, I will try a drink from every country. I wanted to say state. Yeah, real soon. What are we taking?
The monorail.
The Animal Kingdom.
Did you make a reservation for this park?
No.
You just have to change your reservation from this park, from the other park, to this park.
I can hear. let me check.
See, yeah, you have one for Magic Kingdom.
Reserved, you do need to scan in. That light has to turn green and then it unlocks.
Oh, it didn't work because
if
he didn't scan it in that Magic.
Yeah, I never put my finger. They didn't ask me to put my fingerprint.
Okay,
Okay,
thank you.
that's weird. Why did it work?
Fingerprint?
We about to get soaked.
Two, number 11, please. Two.
Where is the most wet?
It's all random.
I'm trying to get wet. It's hot.
Someone's gonna get very wet. Someone is gonna get very wet. Who is it gonna be?
Like a river.
That's good. That's good.
Me and you. So. Yeah?
I am Friday.
It's gonna be them wearing the ponchos. Watch. I mean, I want to get a little wet.
Here comes the first one.
No, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. They got wet. Oh. We should have switched. Don't cover her with the bag.
I went under it. I didn't want to touch it. I did not.
That's it.
It's only
Yeah.
more.
Where we started, right here.
I didn't get it.
More water. Yes.
It's okay. It feels good. It feels good. Oh, we're about to get soaked. And some more. What ride are we going on?
Everest.
She's drunk. No, she's not. She just doesn't know anything. Let's do it. Here is Yeti. We need any of this stuff, babe?
Yeah.
Military boots?
Oh my god, have you guys ever seen the movie Everest? Have you been?
I have never. I'm old Disney.
This is in the movie.
Attention Expedition Everest team members. Once on board, secure all.
Holy shit, baby. Here we go. You ready?
Yeah.
Oh my god! We're ready spaghetti.
She ready spaghetti.
Can you imagine if it went up as high as Everest and it's fucking shot down?
Kind of looks like it does. Oh, here we go. We're just starting off nice and stiff. All right, let go of my hand. I gotta put my hands up. Put my hands up, chat. little tippy. Oh, Smokies.
What was that?
That was just a little.
Was that your sunglasses?
The water bottle.
No, okay.
There we go. Hands up, baby. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Chat, she's scared for the hands up.
Woo! Oh, okay.
She's scared for the hands up, chat. Oh, Nelly. Look at the view we got. Look at Epcot. Look at that, chat. Y'all see that? Uh-oh. In 3, 2, 1. Goodbye. Where'd he go? Where'd he go? Oh, it is the drum! Oh, yeah! Woo! That's all, folks. Oh, this is beautiful.
Program. Soon, you're going to have a chance to undertake an amazing Navi rite of passage, riding on the back of a Banshee by being genetically matched and linked to an avatar. Using avatars to fly this way was all figured out by my boss, Dr. Jackie Ogden. She leads our science team, which is part of the Pandora Conservation Initiative, and we're here in the Valley of Moara studying banshees and their environment. Over a generation ago, this enormous company called the RDA created a lot of damage to the area through their bad mining practices and conflicts with the Na'vi. Just like on Earth, it can take decades for ecosystems to recover. Okay, to get you flying on a Banshee, we need to find each of you an avatar. Let's prep the genetic sampling.
I'm on it.
Okay, first we need to find the compatible match of your genetic material with the genetic material of one of the avatar bodies that we already have. Once we do that, you'll be able to link to that avatar and fly. Help us out and move around a bit. Almost. Yes, got it. Now, let's find you your avatar matches. Great river.
Navi River.
Yeah. Dose. It is time to roll, baby. Which way? Left or right? Let's take the bridge. Come through the bridge, exit the bridge.
It's not the bridge, it's there.
See you on the other side, though? I will explore. How was it?
It was hot. It's very humid
1 out of 10.
here. I give it a solid 7.5.
What about for the whole day?
I'm gonna give it a 10 out of 10.
Ooh.
How about you?
Oh, look. Look at that fucking thing. You see that thing? I give it a 10.
10?
Yes.
How about the park?
I don't know. I would say the park A 7. I'd give it a solid 7. Magic Kingdom, I mean, is we got a long day tomorrow. So tune in.